Hello everyone, welcome to Search Deal Zone, a new review video. In this video we are going to review a very popular tool which is AITable.ai. Basically this is an amazing tool. If you have a business and you can manage this business smoothly, then this tool is a must-have tool for your any kind of business. So here I can show you how you can use it and streamline and scale up your business smoothly. So here you can see AITable.ai. This is a data management tool. I mean, you can easily manage any kind of data. You can create any kind of chatbot for any type of small businesses, and you can simplify a workflow automation with visual database. Connect 6,000 apps via Zapier, Make, Public, and ActivePace. So there are many kinds of feature available in AITable.ai. Like you can analyze any data with AI. You can connect it popular integration or popular apps like Zapier, Publicanet, ActivePace, and so on. So and you can transform your data with automatic forms. Like you can input any data and you can convert it from automatic form, which is very fast and smooth. And also you can build AI customer service agent, auto sales chatbot. I mean, you can input some queries in your chatbot and they will build a customized chatbot for you, which is really amazing. Also you can create a content or writing AI article by using AITable.ai. Basically they have integrated with ChatGPT, and you can use ChatGPT and give an instruction or give a prompt how you want to create your blog article. So I will show you how step by step how this tool is work for you. So all I need to do, first of all, we have to log in to our dashboard. Before logging to my account, I will talk about their pricing plan. They have a very transparent pricing plan. I mean, if you have business is small or if your business is large, you can choose any type of pricing plan from here. You can basically use it for free for testing purpose, but they have a limitation in free tier or free plan. If you can upgrade your plan to starter, plus, and pro. You can see here they have three type of pricing plan: $18 per month, and $39 per month, and $79 unlimited seat per month. And you can check their pricing plan and the specification and feature available here. So there are many type of folder available here. So I will show you how to you can use it step by step for your daily routine or daily work. First of all, I will show you how this tool work and how you can create and manage your everything, every task by using AITable.ai. So first of all, we are going to log into our SE ranking account. Here you can see we just analyze a domain which is AITable.ai, and we are export data from organic traffic or organic keyword list here. And you can see here we just export it, and okay, XLS or CSV, both are acceptable in AITable.ai. So I just export CSV format here, and my file is exporting. So we have a list which is CSV format, and we have a couple of keywords which is almost 834 keyword in ranking keyword in AITable.ai. So all we need to do, we can create a folder for this project, like we are working for SEO project to improve AITable.ai search ranking. So first of all, we need to do, we just create a folder from here, then we can upload it here. So we are just export data from SE ranking, and we want to store it from our AITable workspace. So how we can do that? First of all, we are export the data from here, and we will log into our account and create a folder. If you want to organize it, like you will say my all work is very organized, I will create a multiple folder like my social media management work, SEO work, email marketing work, local SEO work, lead generation work. Everything is very well organized here. You can just click one folder, like if you want to click here like local SEO, then you can see all local SEO work here. If you want to log into your lead generation work here, if you want to log into your SEO work or email marketing work here, you can see lots of lead we are uploaded here in our template. So here you can see we have a multiple leads and multiple email here. If I have need any leads from here, I just click my entire sheet. I just click my entire file here, and I can access it easily. Here you can see we have a search keyword, location, serial number, and category, business category, profile name, and profile URL. This is basically YOLO page data from my YOLO page scraper, and I always love to organize my data in my AITable.ai. So what we need to do if we want to create this type of folder in our AITable account. So basically you have to create a folder here. So you can create a folder and give it a name, like we are giving it AITable SEO data or SEO keyword, AITable SEO keyword. So just couple of hours we just export our data from SE ranking, and now we upload it to our AITable.ai. Okay, so here you can see we create a folder which is AITable SEO keyword, and then click a plus button icon. Then you can see here there are lots of things we can do from here, like we can import from Excel or CSV format, and we can create another new folder, I mean subfolder. We can add custom page, and we can create a new automation, and we can create a new AI agent. We will talk about later, and everything we can do from here. So we just import the Excel file. So they supported XLX, SX, and CSV file only. So we just download our data from CSV. So just upload our entire list here. So keyword research history AITable.ai. So we just upload our CSV file here, and we can if you want you can rename it here. So we just rename it AITable.ai keyword data, keywords data. So basically this is our entire list, our 865 record where we just download it from here, and you can also store it from on your PC. But I think AITable.ai is more secure, because if you store it on your laptop, you have to carry on your laptop to access this data. But if you store it from on your AITable account, then you can access this data from anywhere in the world. Like you are on the home, you can just log into your AITable account and access this data. Also you can share this data to your teammate very smoothly. Just I just show you how you can do that. You just click the three dot menu and share this folder, share it, and share it to your teammate, share SEO expert, SEO manager, share it to your office member, colleague, if you need. Okay, so and you can export data from anywhere. So this is your full list. You can manage it from here. You can add any new element on your data sheet, and you can hide any field if you don't need this data point. Like if you want to click a hide field here, you can see lots of field here. If you don't want to show here, you just remove it from here or hide it from here. Like traffic cost, we don't need this column here, and traffic share, we don't need this column here, and traffic source URL, CPC, competition, PBS position, we don't need PBS position from here. We don't need search feature or search intent. We just need difficulty, search volume, and competition, and CPC, URL, and traffic. Now we will explore another great feature is AITable.ai, which is from generation. If you want to create a from, or if you want to collect lead from AITable.ai, you have to create a table first, then you can convert it from a form or lead capture form. Like you can see here, we just click a plus icon, and we will create a new data sheet or create a new from. Like if you want to select a new from, you just go into direct from section. But if you want to create a table first, like you can easily manage your from. So we will create a new data sheet. I mean we will input our data field which we want to show in our from. So basically we have a three type of attachment, title, options, and attachment. We can edit this option here. We have a first field which is title. We will give it the name is your full name. This is our first data field. Single line text, definitely. Set as required. I mean if anyone show this from, he must be input his full name here. So we have ready to our first field, and second field is we just edit it here is your business email. business email. This is also must require field, and you can select multi-select answer if you want to receive or create a form for survey or other things. And another file name is okay, which country do you belong. Okay, so this is the our lead generation from field. You can if you want to need more column or more field here, you just click a plus icon, then you can create another field from here. So we just create a short data sheet from here, and now we will convert it from a from datasheet to from. Just click to the from icon, and it will be converted to datasheet to your desired lead capture from. And you can publish it, and you can embed it anywhere in your website. You can add your logo, you can cover image, you can add a cover image. Just fill out the name. Anyone can give it here in your his full name, and no option, please add the option. It okay. Okay, here you can select. Now you can publish this from collect lead from here, and you can click on the share icon and create a public link. If you want to create a public link, this link will embeddable, or I mean you can embed this link anywhere in your web page, like preview. You can see this from preview link. You can share it with scan code in your website. I mean, if anyone scan this barcode, they will redirect to your this from and collect data from you. And submit limit and no submission limit. Okay, you can input here need to log in to submit, no need to log in to submit. Okay, so this is the get feature to collect lead from AITable.ai. Beautiful from. Like you can create a customized chatbot for small businesses, or this is basically a QA type of chatbot for a specific data query, and you can create a chat AI agent that will help you to create a content or create a blog article for you. So we just try chat feature, chat agent. Just click chat option, and next click on the next button, and we will we will just prepare for doing we are just prepare for this AI agent. We have to prepare for this AI agent for writing smoothly, like agent type. This is chat type of agent, and advanced mode, we are change this option to wizard to advanced mode, and we change the agent model, which is latest model is GPT 4.0, and we can change temperature. You can see what is the benefit of changing temperature. Then we will click on the save button. Then our AI agent will be ready to produce qualityful article. Now you have to give it a prompt to generate qualityful article for you. So let's input here write a blog article with 200 words, two best way to make money online. We just give it a prompt, a small prompt. Write a blog article with 200 words. Our keyword is here is our keyword. Our title: two best way to make money online. We just give it a prompt, a small prompt to write 200 words article for us, our blog post. Then the AI agent, chat agent, will write rest of the article for us, like they will produce quality content for us. You can see they produce article for us. So basically this is the process of using AITable.ai. One tool, you can manage it from various types of work. You can create content from here. You can write social media content, write social media caption, anything, depending on your prompt capability, and you will get the best answer for best prompt. Okay. Now we talk about another great feature for AITable.ai, which is new custom page. Basically, if you want to create, if you want to add specific pages for your AITable.ai, they have various type of integration here. Like you can code anything from here. You can upload any documents here. You can upload any sheet here. You can upload any Figma file here. You can upload any video, any YouTube video from here, and you can watch it from your entire daily life from AITable dashboard. So this is the another cool feature for AITable.ai. You can manage your entire folder. You can share your every folder to your agent, your team member, your employee, and this is the great thing. I think if you want to scale up your business, at least if you have a small business or if you have an agency, this is the great tool for you for scale up your everything like if your daily tasks, your lead generation process, your custom AI chatbot, AI agent build up, your store your data sheet, everything you can manage from here. So this is the full video about AITable.ai.